All right, hey, good students of AP Bio, doing an introductory video here for you. Um, got my camera set up, got my microphone here all set up. Ready for a school year, I guess. We're going to do this as best we can. It won't be ideal, but I know that whatever we end up doing, it'll go flawlessly. All right, sorry about that. That was kind of weird. So anyway, I was saying we got summer coursework here is what I want to talk about just real quickly. You got to make sure that you get that taken care of. If you've had weird circumstances or whatever, please let me know. For this video, all I really want to talk about briefly was a couple of pieces of the AP Bio class itself. So I'm going to go into AP Bio and show you what it kind of looks like right now and give you kind of the idea of this whole thing. So what I wanted to talk about here was some
My cardboarding.
oh, Tanner, what the heck? All right, I'm really sorry about that interruption. That was really weird. Sorry. Anyway, I want to talk about the stuff underneath a couple of different folders here today. So specifically, we'll talk about the general information, and that would be all of these different things here. You want to take a look at them, and I'll roll through them as I go through this video, but I'll do them super, super quick, and I'm just relying on you guys to take care of it yourselves. The thing that I want to talk about today, one thing that I wanted to talk about today was about the syllabus. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this syllabus, and I want to show you that it's a lengthier syllabus. AP College Board always requires that a teacher have a pretty concise syllabus to go along with everything. So ultimately, I'm going to just tell you that the syllabus is really kind of up in the air this year. There's a lot of different things of it that I would normally do in a normal school year, but if we're doing distance or hybrid or if we're in person, a lot of these different things change up. We can't do as many in-person labs as I'd like to. We can't do a performance review, which is a different thing. There's different aspects of this that I really can't do. One of the things that I wanted to make sure that I mentioned to you today, and it's kind of the biggest change for this year, would be that testing will be done a little bit differently this year. My goal is to get you to be ready for a large and lengthy and difficult essay test at the end of the year. So ultimately, that essay test is your grade. And my job is basically we're going to practice those essays all throughout the year. So what I'm going to do is throughout every trimester, we will take tests, and most of them will be essays. Now, because of the size of class and because of distance and hybrid and the amount of time that it takes me to get things set up, I've kind of settled in on the fact that I won't be able to grade everybody's tests all at once at the same time. So what I'm going to end up doing is for each test, you're going to end up with having some of you be graded out, about half the class, and the other half of the class may just get checked off. Like, yep, you did the test, thank you. If you want me to review it a little closer, I will. But half of you will get a grade. It may not be a great grade, especially if it's early on in the year. Your option then will be at that point to say, I don't like the score that I received on this. I think I can improve my skills as an essay writer and a test taker. And then the next test, you go ahead and you request that, can you please grade this test this time? And then I'll go ahead and I'll enter that grade. And we'll show progress over time, and you will receive the highest of the grade that you get. So ultimately, I'm trying to reduce the amount of time that it will take me to correct, and at the same time, really get some good focus on being able to give every student feedback throughout the course of the trimester. So that's the whole idea behind the different test taking process this year. So that's the thing that'll be different in the syllabus. That's all I really want to talk about on the syllabus. You can read the rest of it. What? I'm doing a fit, Maya. God damn. Folks, sorry about that. I have relocated outside here. Sorry for all the interruptions. All right, so keep going along, I guess, huh? So I just got done talking about the AP syllabus and the testing stuff. I want to go into the unit summary here real quickly. So if you click on this one, it's going to open up a window that looks a lot like this. There are 8 different units for AP Bio, and you'll notice that if you look at the titles of them, they're very, very similar to your summer homework. So we're going to go in deeper than your summer homework ever did. So ultimately, that'll be our goal for the course of the year. Each topic or each unit is broken down into little topics and little subunits. And so what we're going to do this year is, because we don't know if we'll be distance or hybrid or whatever, we're going to rely heavily on the flipped videos that AP College Board has created for us this year. So like if you'll notice the topic 1.1 is structure of water and hydrogen bonding. If we go to my AP Classroom, which you have instructions, and I'm hoping that you're already logged into, and if you don't, I'll show you where they're at. But if you go into my AP Classroom underneath the tab for Unit 1, you'll notice the first topic is structure of water and hydrogen bonding. So ultimately, you're going to go through these videos, and then there'll be quizzes for you. Your quizzes will show up here in this blue area, I believe. But you'll go through the different quizzes for each one of them, and you'll work your way through the topics. Now, you may wonder at what pace you need to go through, and I'll show you that I've put a daily calendar up here on the very top. It'll always be there on the landing page for our Schoology page, and that AP calendar will tell you what days I want you to watch what videos and kind of keep you clicking along. I will also each week put in a folder that will kind of outline and put a checklist of what you need to be doing. So there's a calendar here, and then there's also a weekly calendar that you'll get as well. So anyway, you'll be using the AP Classroom quite a bit, along with the topics and the units at a glance. So going back to the stuff here, here's that information for how to join AP Classroom. Here's a video on how to do it. And then that gets me to attendance. So the attendance stuff that we need to be doing is evidently...
Sweetie,
What?
90 Day Fiance is on.
Oh, gosh. You know, that's my favorite show. I gotta go. Hey, we're back. That episode was crazy. I can't believe Cole did that. I'm going to get back into daily attendance here. So I just wanted to point out that underneath this general information folder, there will be 2 places to take attendance. You have to do it twice every day for me. I know it's a pain in the butt, but administration is getting a little bit tighter on attendance this year, especially with distance and hybrid, to make sure that we've got a procedure that follows through. So I'm going to try this. If it works, great. If it doesn't, I'll change it up. We'll see how it goes along here. So 2 different places every day to go in and just check in. It's basically a Schoology quiz where you just say, yes, I'm here, and I make sure that you're following through. Now, more importantly, the things to attend, underneath your AP Bio daily calendar, which is going to look like this, there will be flipped lectures assigned to you like I already talked about, and then there will be Google Meets for follow-up question and answer and demos and labs and activities. So ultimately, it is very important for you guys to attend these things and to view these things. So I will be checking in on this. I will rotate the times that I have the Google Meets so that if I meet with first hour students are expected to be there. Third hour students, fourth hour students, second hour, they can all join in at any time that they want to. So please, everybody, I would like to see a Google Meet with 100 students in it easily every single time that I host a Google Meet. So please do that. It will really help. I know where you're going to struggle or where you're going to think, yep, I understand that concept, but when it comes to test time, you don't. And I know how to get to that point and make sure that you do understand it. So attend the Google Meets as much as you can. I will rotate them around to different class periods, and if you can't attend them, I'll record them and post them for you. But ultimately, that'll be a piece of attendance as well. So Google Meets at least twice a week so that you've got some live interaction there. Okay? All right, I got to check my list here, but I think that's about all I really needed to cover. I just wanted to say I look forward to working with you this year, and I just really hope that it's a good year for you guys. And
Whoa!
what?
Guy in the camera looks just like you.
Oh my gosh, Tanner, this is like take 27, dude. I'm so tired of all of this technology. I can't do it anymore. I'm done. I quit.